Hey everybody, and welcome to Hodl and Shill. Today is day 54 of our Bitsgap daily follow along. So let's jump right in here. So we can see here our sum bot total P&L is $89, which is up 7.51%. Then you've got our sum bot profit total at $134, which is up 11.26%, and our sum bot value at $1,281. So as of right now, you can see just when we look at the screen, if you've been following, everything is green and everything is active. There is nothing held on right now. So let's do this by average daily trading. And so we'll start at the top here, and it looks like our ADA 3L, which is Cardano, and that is at $10 in bot profit, which is up 20%, 3.49% a day for the last 6 days and 7 hours. Now, what does that equal for profit? Let's look. So it's about $9.57 overall for the total P&L, and that is up from the initial funds of 36.31%. Next, we've got our AVAX 3L. That is up $17, and that is 34.68% in bot profit. However, we know that bot profit is not the net profit. You can look here. Our average daily profit is 3.15% a day for the last 11 days and 23 hours. So right where we want it to be. And we'll hit this, our analytics. And you can see here that ends up being about $16.49 in total P&L, with the initial funds being up 42.89%. Okay, then we've got our APE. So APE USDT, that is up 26.96% for a total of $26, 2.45% a day, and that ends up being 21.29 in USD, with an average of 45.05% from our initial funds in USDT, sorry. And then our Ethereum 3L, we switched to the Ethereum 3 long when the market started looking bullish. We have made $2, which is equal to 8.26%, 1.37% a day for the last 6 days, and that ends up being 1.98% in total P&L, with our initial funds being up 17.91%. Then we've got our BTC 3L. Now this is up 5%, 5.42%. Obviously it's been slow. This ends up being about just under 1% for the last 6 days, and an average of $2.69 in profit. Next, we've got our AVAX USDT. We just started trading that just on the spot side, and that ends up being $2.38, 5% overall in profit. And then we have our LUNABTC. So our LUNABTC is at 0.16%. Now remember, this is a BTC pair, so all we care about is our BTC profit overall. Currently we are at minus 0.3028 in sats, and that's okay. That's just because some of those haven't sold. But if you go to our USD portion, we're actually up in total P&L $11. And then lastly, we have our BTC USD pair. Now this is on Gemini, and this is one of the bots that Bitsgap is beta testing right now, called Buy the Dip. It looks like it's doing okay. 43 cents is the total that it's made. It ends up being $2.97 in USD. And then obviously it shows that it's down in BTC, but that could be just from the sells not taking place yet. And same thing again on this KuCoin BTC USDT by the dip. It's at 29 cents in profit after 11 days. But if you look at our USDT value, it's up $2.30. And that's going to be it. That's it for today. We're not going to be starting any new bots. The market is looking bullish, so we will reevaluate some of these or see if there is any room to open new bots. But right now we want to optimize what we've got and continue on. But that's it for day 54. If you've been following along, there is a link to all of the other videos that will be included here. There is a link to our website, our social media channels, and also if you use Bitsgap, there's a link for a free trial, and also a link to the bots that I have running currently, where you can see that at any given time. But that's it for today, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.